Welcome back. Thanks very much for staying with us. You're watching WION World is One with me, Resha Sehgal. There's lots lined up on the show, but first, a quick check on the headlines. Sri Lanka presidential election race shows signs of heating up. Anura Dissanayake now has just about 40% of the vote, with Sajith Premadasa reducing the gap with 33%. Still early trends with 74 out of 160 polling divisions counted so far. $297 Indian antiquities smuggled out of India to be returned to the country by the US. 640 antiquities have been returned to India since 2015. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in New York after the Quad meeting in Delaware. He is to meet the Indian diaspora in a grand event on Sunday. Hezbollah chief Hassan Nasrallah says the group launched rockets on an Israeli military complex in Haifa, North Israel, as an initial response to the pager and the walkie-talkie blasts. High alert sounded in northern Israel after Hezbollah fires over 1,000 missiles. Civil Defense Agency ordered all schools shut, activities barred till at least 6 p.m. on Monday. After 2 months in office, UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer's approval ratings slumped to their lowest ever, even below ratings of Rishi Sunak. The poll comes on the eve of the Labour Party conference on Sunday, the first since they came to power. New vendor from Karnataka appointed to supply laddus for Tirupati Prasad offerings as the temple gears up for heavy rush during Brahmotsav in October. Complaint lodged against former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy.